Yes.
At this point, the airplane is going straight down at full speed with a broken aileron. Listen close, you can hear the impact.
Oh shit! I just fucking wrecked it.
This is the same airplane that only a half an hour earlier dove straight into the ground. I repaired the aileron, fueled it up, cleaned it off. I don't know how or why. It's a miracle. I kid you not.
Same day after the wreck.
My wife and I were the only ones at the field that day. Fortunately, she caught it on video. I still don't have an explanation other than divine intervention. This is a true story. I'll play it again.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
It's 3 years later now. I still have the little trainer. That was the first RC airplane I ever flew. I don't know how or why. I just know that what you saw is true.